Hi, I'm Rose and welcome to Drawing Journey, where I draw every day to improve my skills. Please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. Thanks so much for your support. It really means a lot to me.